No one really tells you this, but creating an e-commerce website with AI isn't hard. It's just usually explained in a super complicated way. Most tutorials make it feel like you need to be some kind of web developer, like you have to understand coding, design systems, and all these technical tools just to get something online. I learned that the hard way after trying to build online stores with old school drag and drop editors, and it was literally exhausting. I spent hours setting up products, fixing layouts, and nothing looked the way I wanted. I remember opening those builders thinking it would be simple. Just add a few products, change a few colors, maybe upload a logo, and boom, you have a store. But in reality, every small step turned into another problem to solve. The images wouldn't line up properly, the product pages looked messy, the checkout felt confusing, and the more time I spent trying to fix things, the more overwhelming the whole process became. At some point, it felt like I was spending more time fighting the tool than actually building the store I wanted. Instead of focusing on the fun part, your products, your brand, your idea, you're stuck adjusting settings and trying to figure out menus that seem way more complicated than they should be. But once I discovered a smarter way to do it with AI, everything changed. The process stopped feeling technical and started feeling creative again. Instead of spending hours designing every page from scratch, you simply describe what you want, and the system helps build it with you. Suddenly, launching a store feels fast, simple, and actually exciting. So in this video, I'll walk you through 3 super clear steps that show you how to get a beautiful, professional e-commerce website using a much smarter, beginner-friendly approach. You'll be totally obsessed with how easy this is. The link to Hostinger is in the description, but there's no special discount, just the program itself. Step 1. Sign up and access Hostinger's AI website builder. Now here comes my absolute favorite part, getting started with Hostinger and seeing how fast you can launch your own online store. This is the moment where everything begins, and it's honestly way simpler than most people expect. Instead of dealing with complicated setup processes, you're basically just logging in and letting the AI guide you through the experience. When I signed up for Hostinger, I literally had my first e-commerce project started in under 2 minutes. I was totally obsessed with how simple the dashboard was. No scary menus, just a big Create Website button. The whole interface felt welcoming and easy to understand, which is something you don't usually get with traditional website builders. First, we start by going to the Hostinger website and clicking Get Started. This takes you to the sign-up page where everything begins. Then, create your account and log in. The process is quick, and once you're inside your dashboard, you immediately see the tools that help you begin building your site. Next, on your dashboard, find the AI Website Builder, or Horizons section. This is where the AI-powered tools live, the part that actually helps you generate your website instead of forcing you to design everything manually. After that, click Create Website, and you'll see a bright Try Now button. Click it. This launches the builder and takes you directly into the creation process. Now, you're in the AI chat interface, ready to build your store. Instead of dragging blocks around for hours, you're basically having a conversation with the system about what you want your store to look like. It feels surprisingly natural, almost like brainstorming ideas with a creative assistant that already understands how e-commerce sites should work. Here's what most people don't know. Hostinger's AI builder is totally free to start, and you can play around with as many store ideas as you want before you ever publish anything. That means you can experiment, explore different concepts, and see what your store might look like before committing to anything. But the real game changer is how Hostinger's AI helps you design your e-commerce site in seconds. Step 2. Describe your store to the AI and customize. Now here comes my totally obsessed part, telling the AI exactly what you want and watching it do the heavy lifting. This is where the magic really starts to happen because instead of building your website piece by piece, you simply describe your vision and let the system generate a structure around it. When I typed, I want a modern online store for handmade jewelry with product pages, a shopping cart, and secure checkout into the AI, it literally built the whole store for me. I was like, wait, this is a game changer. Within seconds, the layout appeared, The pages were organized, and the store already looked like something real customers could use. First, in the AI chat, describe your store's purpose and what you want to sell. The clearer you describe your idea, the easier it is for the AI to generate something that fits your vision. For example, create an e-commerce site for eco-friendly skincare with a homepage, product catalog, and checkout. That single description gives the AI enough context to design the structure of your entire store. Then, let the AI generate the layout, product pages, and even sample text. Watching the pages appear automatically is honestly one of the most satisfying moments in the process. Suddenly, you're not staring at a blank screen anymore. You're looking at a real store layout that's ready to customize. Next, preview the design and ask the AI to make changes, like add a testimonial section or change the color to green. The system responds to those instructions and updates the design quickly, which makes the whole process feel flexible and interactive. After that, you can regenerate the design as many times as you want until you're totally happy. This freedom to experiment is what makes the experience feel creative rather than stressful. Click on any product or text to edit it with your real info. That's where your brand starts to come alive. Your product names, your descriptions, your story. Upload your own product photos by clicking on image placeholders. Once those images appear in the layout, the store immediately feels more personal and authentic. Adjust colors and fonts using the simple tools. Small visual tweaks can completely change the personality of your website, so it's fun to play around with the design until it matches your style. Add or remove sections as needed using Hostinger's drag-and-drop interface. If you want to highlight reviews, add a featured product area, or expand your homepage, you can do it easily without needing any technical skills. Here's what most people don't know. Hostinger's AI can even suggest product categories, headlines, and calls to action that match your brand. If you want a super cute look, just say so in your prompt. The system adapts to the vibe you describe and helps shape the store around that idea. But the real magic is how easy it is to launch your store and start selling. Step 3. Publish, test, and share your e-commerce site. Now here comes my favorite finishing part, publishing your e-commerce site and sharing it with the world. This is the moment where your project stops being just an idea and becomes something real that people can visit, explore, and interact with. When I clicked Publish, Hostinger literally gave me a working store link in under a minute. I was totally obsessed. I sent it to my friends and they could shop right away on their phones. Seeing the site live and accessible instantly makes the whole experience feel incredibly rewarding. First, click the Publish button in the top right corner. This tells the system you're ready to make your site live. Then, choose your store's privacy settings, public or private. This lets you control whether people can access the site immediately, or if you want to keep it hidden while you test things. Next, copy the store link or scan the QR code to open it on your phone. Checking the site on mobile is exciting because you get to see exactly what your customers will experience. After that, test your store by adding products to the cart and checking out. Running through the process yourself helps you understand the customer journey and make sure everything works smoothly. Share your store link on social media, in your email signature, or with anyone you want. Once people start visiting your site, the project suddenly feels real and alive. You can always go back and update your store. Just click Edit, make changes, and hit Publish again. That flexibility makes it easy to improve your store over time without rebuilding everything from scratch. Here's what most people don't know. Hostinger e-commerce sites are instantly mobile-friendly, so you don't have to worry about different phone sizes or browsers. It's literally one click and your store works everywhere. Now let's talk about how much time and money you're saving with this approach. Think about this. Hiring a professional e-commerce developer could cost you anywhere from $5,000 to $20,000. And if you decided to learn traditional web development instead, we're talking 6 to 12 months of classes, tutorials, and practice. But with Hostinger, it costs less than a new pair of sneakers and you can have your store live by the end of the weekend. Now, you might be thinking, but what if I'm just not creative? Here's the thing, the AI literally does the creative heavy lifting for you. All you have to do is guide it. What if I don't even know what sections my store needs? No worries. Hostinger's AI looks at real successful online stores and suggests the best structure for yours. Okay, but will my store look generic? Not at all. You can customize every single detail, and the AI adapts to your brand every step of the way. And is this really beginner friendly? Totally. If you know how to drag and drop, you already know how to build a store with this. So what do you get? First, immediate results. We're talking hours, not months, until your site is live. Second, that proud feeling of showing off your brand new store to friends, family, and customers. Third, serious savings. You're skipping the thousands of dollars you'd spend on design and development. And finally, creative freedom. You get to express your vision without the stress. So, are you ready to build your own app or website the smart way? Just click the links in the description to try Hostinger. No special code needed, just pure simplicity. Come hang out with our community, drop your questions in the comments, and if you love this, go ahead and subscribe for more super cute, beginner-friendly tutorials. Honestly, your dream project is literally just a few clicks away.